Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a close look at the highly anticipated 2025 Lexus LFA EV, a car that's turning heads and setting new benchmarks in the electric vehicle market. Let's jump in. The 2025 Lexus LFA EV is a visual masterpiece. Lexus has preserved the iconic LFA silhouette, but with modern futuristic tweaks. The sharp lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic design scream performance. Up front, a signature spindle grille is now a bold LED light bar, seamlessly blending form and function. The 21-inch alloy wheels and carbon fiber accents add a touch of sportiness, while the active aero components adjust to enhance stability at high speed. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's nothing short of luxurious. Lexus has gone all out with premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The driver-centric layout features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, haptic feedback and voice commands for seamless interaction. And let's not forget the Mark Levinson sound system, offering an immersive audio experience. Now let's talk performance, because this LFA is not just about looks. The 2025 LFA EV is powered by a dual-motor setup, delivering a staggering 800 horsepower. The 0 to 60 time of just 2.5 seconds, it's a rocket on wheels. Top speed, a blistering 200 miles per hour. But what's even more impressive is the handling. Thanks to the torque vectoring system and adaptive suspension, the LFA EV sticks to the road like it's on rails, offering razor-sharp precision in every turn. The range is equally impressive. Lexus has equipped the LFA EV with a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, offering up to 300 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities allow you to juice up to 80% in just 20 minutes, making it as practical as it is powerful. In summary, the 2025 Lexus LFA EV is a game-changer. It combines breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance in a package that's unmistakably Lexus. Whether you're a die-hard petrolhead or an EV enthusiast, the LFA EV promises an unforgettable driving experience. Thanks for watching Ride Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.